This pool was built in 2012. It's got gold travertine coping. It has a rather large sun shelf, a shallow end covered with tile. This is a polished plaster called Hydrazzo. I believe this is the only Hydrazzo pool in Chattanooga, as far as I know. We have a waterfall and a slide. You're looking at about 40 gallons per minute coming down the waterfall, East Tennessee Mountain Stone. 2 underwater benches in the deep end with an automatic pool cover. An all-tile slide. It also has water running down it when you open the valve. We like this one.